In this video, we are going to find the number of terms satisfying a certain condition. The second term and the third term of a geometric sequence are given as 56 and 224. We need to find the smallest value of n such that the sum of the first n terms of the sequence is greater than 7 times 10 to the power of 7. Let a and r be the first term and the common ratio of the sequence respectively. Since the second term and the third term are known, we can find the common ratio r by dividing the third term by the second term, which equals 4. With r found, we can also find the first term a by dividing the second term by r, which equals 14. Now consider the case when the sum of the first n terms of the sequence is greater than 7 times 10 to the power of 7. Applying the summation formula for geometric sequences, the inequality becomes 14 times 4 to the nth power minus 1 over 4 minus 1 is greater than 7 times 10 to the power of 7. Multiply both sides by 3 and divide both sides by 14. The right-hand side of the inequality can be simplified as 1.5 times 10 to the power of 7. Then adding 1 to both sides, we'll have 4 to the nth power is greater than 1.5 times 10 to the power of 7 plus 1. Here, n is the exponent. How do we solve for it? What function is essentially the inverse of an exponent function? It's a logarithm. So let's take the logarithm of both sides. But then, n is still in the exponent. How can we bring the exponent n down to the front of the expression? Recall this property of logarithms. Log of m to the kth power equals k times log of m. So the left-hand side becomes n times log of 4. Then divide both sides by log of 4. Do remember to consider whether a value is positive or negative when multiplying or dividing both sides of an inequality by this value, as we need to reverse the inequality sign if it's negative. Since log of 4 is positive, the inequality sign remains unchanged. We find that n is greater than 11.91. Since n should be a positive integer, the smallest possible value satisfying the inequality is 12. Therefore, the smallest value of n is 12. That's it.